Okay, students, we start with this activity. Today is homework. Date Thursday, 18th June 2020. Topic have to performance expressing obligation. Copy, please. Okay, continue. This is the activity for you. This is the homework. Draw one family in their house where they do chores at home. Okay, you please draw a house in your notebook or on a page. It's okay. Draw a house. Draw a family like this. Okay, and you sweep the floor and you draw any person sweep the floor and copy and write like this example. Okay. For example, you draw a mother uh, in, in the bedroom y si la actividad estuviera aquí, que dijéramos make a bed, you write the bed. Okay? Okay, this is the activity in Spanish. Tienes que dibujar una casa en tu cuaderno o en una página, como quieras. Entonces, de acuerdo a estas actividades que te estoy colocando aquí, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 activities that you use, that you have to do in your home. Son actividades que se toca hacerlas en la casa. Los miembros de la familia los tienen que hacer. Entonces, dibujas la casa, dibujas un miembro de la familia, no tiene que ser tu familia, puedes inventarte una familia y le colocas, por ejemplo, aquí dice feed the dog. Entonces, feed the dog, dibujas a la persona alimentando el perrito y colocas abajo feed the dog. Similar that this example, okay? This is your activity, please. And you take photo and send me the homework, okay? Okay, bye. This is a good homework, I think that. And we finish with music. Wait for me. Bye.